is CyberDragon. Today I'm going to talk about Moot.us. What it is a social media site for gaming to know about the latest gaming trends on the market. Like currently right now, Among Us is the most popular gaming so far. And they also have a variety of gamings you can look for. It's free to sign up. Just sign up, log in. 2018, all rights reserved. And they're available on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. You can check like different types of gaming, like Three Kingdoms is one of them. Three Kingdoms receiving, and also they can post like links to like videos. You can click on it, and it'll mostly bring you to the YouTube channel because these are mostly YouTube channel link, but shortened down, make it simple. You can check like any type of games. Let's say popular one. Dynasty Warrior. Dynasty Warrior is like a Three Kingdoms series. Okay, you can see on Twitch.com. You can post like events online, and you can pretty much there'll be like weekly ranks, legends, like moderators for like each channel, depending on the topic. And it's pretty much relatively easy to use. I've used it. The only thing they had problem is the posting side. They had some error, and you have to email the administrator of the website administrator for help fixing it. And they usually fix it within 72 hours. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video with everyone so they know about Moot.us, which is a gaming social media website. And I hope to see you guys again next time. Goodbye.